Hello, welcome to Bongo IoT's tutorial videos. Today, we are showing how to add personal vehicle documents to Bongo IoT. At first, you have to go to the tracking panel. There is an option which is called Add Object. If you click on the Add Object option, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up window, you will see a document option where you can add your personal vehicle documents. If you click on the document option, there are multiple options like document type, document name, upload document, issue date, expiry date, download, and add reminder. For uploading the document, you have to click the Add New button. After clicking the Add New option, a pop-up window will appear. From this pop-up window, users can easily upload the personal vehicle documents into the document segment. In Bongo IoT, the user has another option to add personal vehicle documents. For this, go to the Objects panel from the Settings panel. After clicking on the Object panel, the previously added object types will be displayed. To add a new document from here, a pop-up window will appear by clicking on the Add New option below. In this pop-up window, you can see the document option. If you click on the document option, there are multiple options like document type, document name, upload document, issue date, expiry date, download, and add reminder. The user can add the personal vehicle's document by following the same as the first option. Thank you.